Right, so the Mark II Bandit is gone. Was never going to do anything with that really. So what I've done is I've traded it for a nice old Monster 600. Haven't had one of these for a while. Last one I had was a 900, I think. So fond memories, but a few bits need done on this. It's not perfect by any means, but it's a tidy enough wee thing for its age. Couple wee bits of scratches here. There's a few stone chips here and there in the tank. So in an ideal world, if it's something you're going to keep, you're probably going to want to paint it. But 9,605 miles, backed up the MOT history. Starts off the button, nice and standard. No had any of the usual butchering about shit, so worth a punt. She needs a wee couple of things. She needs indicators and a service, and the belt's done. So that's going to be the first things to do. I mean, it's MOT, never service belts. I'll do the fluids, brake fluids as well, and then we'll take it out for a barrel and see. We've got some nice noisy exhaust coming as well. Nobody likes a quiet Ducati. And then we'll take it for the end, decide what's happening with us. This one, next thing for this, is going to be stripping the bodywork off and installing the heated grips. So I'm going to have to take this off. See, it'll probably need to come off as well, I think, because the battery's kind of under here-ish. And then I'm also going to put the quad lock charger in there as well, for when that's so it's ready to go for the winter, all good to go for commuting. That's that. Other than that, the PCX is going for its first service. I think it's done about 460 mile. I was hoping to have it done in time, but it's going in on Friday for its 600 mile service. I don't know if they'll take it with it being a bit lower than expected, because I've unexpectedly not been able to ride for a week. But we'll see what happens. And in other news, M&P get it round, geez, got my money back. Put it in as a PayPal dispute, saying the item wasn't described when it arrived. Sorry, wasn't as described when it arrived, which is totally fine. I had to send it back to M&P. PayPal sided with me, and refund should be hitting my account in a day or two. So quite happy with that one. That's that, nice and easy done. The Mark I Bandit, still getting more and more tempted to keep this, but it's worth a couple of quid. A couple of quid would be nice. As you can see, for the state of the workshop, I'm choking to build a new one. It's too damp really to keep something nice in it, but I don't know, the Mark I, it's not doing any harm. I think what I'm going to do is get the paddock stand on it with the wheels and see if I can figure out tucking stuff in tight against the wall. The Monster, the other reason I took the Monster was it takes up no space. And in slight overkill news, my brother was chucking it in the old telly. So I now have a 55-inch TV in my garage about 4 inches from my face. Hence the specs. Right, catch you later people, bye.